Paramedia logo bloopers. Take 1. Cut. Media, why are you covered in ice? You're not allowed to be covered in ice. Oh, sorry about that. I think I used Megaphodium and Kindmaster. It's okay. Let's try again. Take 2. Cut. Paramedia, why are you in fire? Are you in fire effect? Yes. That's fire. Go away. You're supposed to have it normal, okay? Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Now I can try again. Take 3. Cut. Power, it's not supposed to have a Kindmaster remake of Paramedia. It's supposed to have it normal, okay? Oh, sorry about that. Alright, let's try it again for the final, but this is your warning, Paramedia. If you screw up one more time, you're fired. Alright, take the last one. Cut. What? Did I get it wrong this time? Did I get it wrong again? Yes, you did. You're fired. Whatty the? Did I get it wrong again? Yes, you did. You got it wrong. Paramedia, you're fired. Oh. Whatever. Whatever.